Measures passed by voters on the 2024 ballot still being litigated in Nebraska courts. Today, the case went before the state Supreme Court.
Yeah, you may recall the effort to throw out thousands of signatures from the two medical marijuana ballot initiatives with claims of fraud and malfeasance. Well, this morning, the High Court's justices heard arguments and asked some questions.
KETV Newswatch 7's Capitol Bureau Chief John Grinvalds has that story.
Last November, more than 2/3 of all voters in the state of Nebraska approved dual measures to legalize and regulate medical marijuana. But before all of the voting, former State Senator John Keane filed a lawsuit calling into question thousands of signatures that helped get the measures on the ballot.
If this case is not a case where petitions lose their presumption of validity due to notary malfeasance, then there isn't one.
The lawsuit put Secretary of State Bob Evnen, who certified the initiatives, in the crosshairs. But then Evnen reversed course and asked the measures to be removed if enough signatures were shown to be invalid.
Here we have proven fraud found by a district court after a trial. If that's not enough to shift the burden, then the public's confidence in the precious power of initiative may be shaken.
Underlying their stance is the argument that malfeasance by a notary or fraud by a circulator on one signature sheet would taint the whole batch and shift the burden of proof onto the ballot sponsors, which they say would require a second phase in the trial. But the defense points to the work county and state election officials already did.
Our point is, if we go back to a second trial, there's nobody we can hire, nothing we can do, nothing I can say that is better than what the election officials have already done to verify the signatures.
Lancaster County District Court Judge Susan Strong found that a little more than 700 signatures were invalid, a far cry from Keane's claim.
Our state's highest election official asked the court to invalidate 46,000 signatures, and John Keane asked the court to invalidate at least 64,000 signatures. These numbers are staggering.
Now, the High Court's justices will decide in the coming months. Reporting for KETV Newswatch 7, I'm John Grinvalds.